In this video, I'll show you how to promote Digistore24 affiliate marketing products on Pinterest. Hi and welcome to this channel. If this is your first time on the channel, you are welcome. Alright, so let's get into the video. You click on Marketplace after logging in. On this page, you have product categories on your left. Also, you have physical product. So under physical product, you have supplements. In our case, we'll promote something from internet marketing and e-business. So click on it. You can type the product you are looking for. In my case, I'm looking for Amazon FBA. Then I'll click on enter. So this is the easiest way to find the product. That's if you know what you want to promote. Alright, so let's check the sales page. Open this and the affiliate support page. It's always good to check this. So this is the sales page in case you have to create a landing page, which is really good. And this is the affiliate page. So this page will give you enough materials to promote your product. All right, so I'll go back. So I'm not going to click on promote yet because I need to go to Canva. Okay, because I need to create a pin for Pinterest. So I'll use Canva to create my pin. So to do so, you can just click the search engine and type in Pinterest. So then it's going to give you dimensions here, but I want to go through that route. I'll go through, so I'll use custom size. You have different dimensions, but I would like to go with 680 by 980. It's because I've used it already, so I have it here already. But if not, you just go here and just type it. 680, you type it here, and 980, you type it here. Okay, then this is gonna change to green. Then you click on create new design. All right, but in my case, like I said, I have typed it already, so I'll just click on it. Now we need an image here. Add the color here. So this color is good. Then I'm gonna find something. We're gonna have to give it a title, okay? So keywords should pop up in your title. So we're trying to use keywords here, all right, as our title before we download. If you've used something from Premium, or the pro version and you don't have it, it's gonna show up here the amount you are owing. Okay, so I'll click on download, so I'm not owing anything. Alright, so we've created our pin. So now we're gonna go to Pinterest. If you don't have a Pinterest account, I have a tutorial on how to set up a Pinterest account, and I'll drop the link in the description for you. Alright, so moving on, now we're gonna come up here, okay, to your logo or your photo and click on create pin. Okay, so I'll drop it. Boom. Alright, so we need to add title. So Amazon FBA. Alright, that's it. Then I'll add my tags. So I'll say Amazon Amazon Associate. Alright, this is also good. Alright, so let's correct our grammars and stuff. Alright, so now this is where you add your affiliate link. So what you have to do, you just copy and paste your affiliate link here. So I'll show you how. Let's go back. So you click on promote. I've been out for a while, so it's gonna prompt me to sign in again. You watch. And right click, copy is because we click copy before. If not, it's gonna be blue. Okay, then you're gonna go to Pinterest. I don't need this. Let me close this one. Now Pinterest is like a gray area. For some reason, they don't really like affiliate links, but at the same time, they are okay. But for your own good, it's better if you have a landing page to capture emails, or something that can create a bridge, because one day Pinterest can say, okay, we are no longer accepting affiliate links. And also you need to check with your vendor, because some vendors, they don't want you to promote direct affiliate link, but not everybody. Okay, then you right click, drop your affiliate link, you go up. So you need to add it to a board. So a board is like a folder. It groups all your pins. So let's say I want to add it to how to make money without a website. But what I'll do, I'll click on create board and I'll name it Amazon. And if you want to keep this board secret, you're going to click this, but I don't want to keep it secret. The reason why I'm not adding FBA to make it like Amazon FBA, because I might promote other Amazon products in future, so I don't want to be creating different boards. Okay, so click on create. So when you click on create, what you do next, you click on publish. If I want to promote this pin, I'll click on this to reach 400 million people, but I don't want to. So then you close. Okay, so let me refresh. So this is it. So now I'm gonna have to find the same product and add more pins, because this is just a lonely pin. You need to connect it to popular pins. So I'll show you how to do that. So you click on this, type in Amazon FBA. I'll save this pin. It should ask me which pin do I want to save this at. So I'm saving it to Amazon. Alright, then I'll click save. Then I'll save this one as well. So we click on this, select your board. So my board is Amazon. So let me go on this one too. No, actually up here. Then you click save. When people read this pin or they check out this pin, this or that, I have a chance of getting my pin on board as well. Alright. Alright, so right now I don't have a lonely board. You get, and the more you add to your boards, the better it is for you to be noticed. So this is the end of the tutorial. Thanks for your time. Please like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. Until next time, take care. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.